What's up, guys? Today we'll be making a part 2 of how to make a 737 in Minecraft. Let's get started. We're gonna have to get different materials, but we'll stay with the smooth quartz slab first. So smooth quartz slab is first, then polished top stairs. And then polish stuff, tough. Then we're still gonna have to. Then we're gonna need smooth quartz block, and then polish deep white slab. So first, you will start off by placing two smooth quartz slab like this. Then three polish deep white slab like that. Same for the other side. Then we want to make the same 5. Go in a different position like that. Is it the same position though? Yep. Then place slabs like this as an L shape like that, and then it seems like we're already at the engine part. Oh shit. Oh no, what do I keep forgetting? So now that we're in the engine part, we want to make something like this. Then after making this engine, you want to make it a 3x2. Oh no, a 6x2. My bad. It looks like a 6x4. Yep. Oh wait, you have to add polished tough stairs like this. Forgot to do the other side. So there we go. Then please make the same engine for the other side. Then make another 3x6. I mean, I don't know how you say it, but Anyways, you wanna put one extra block here. Alright. And now after that, we're gonna make the same block. Or just modify it like that. Alright, now for the winglets. The final parts, winglets, which will require smooth cut stairs. So for the winglets, you want to add something like this. Make something like this. And like this. Now I have a beautiful winglet. As I promised last video, we were gonna do the interior, which is why we're doing this tutorial. There we go. We're now currently done with first 737. Now to make the interior. So first you want to do it a block. Oh wait, no, not like that. So first you want to do it a block like this. Then do something like this. Make it something like this. As one of those doors you see for non-jetway airports. They have to use that door or so. And then you wanna make it like 1 seat and 2 seats in a row. Remember, we'll be making the cockpit later. So keep watching if you wanna see that. Oh wait. Oh yes, this is first class. First class has to be luxury, so they have to be luxurious, so they have to be luxurious and beautiful. So I have to do something like this, or just separate them so then I can place the old and white, and then separate it from one seat if you want to make the interchange system that each first class has. Then make another section somewhere here. And on this section, it will be in economy. And just cover this entire thing up because nobody has to see the rear. Oh no. Something like this. Yeah, make an open. If you want to, make an open door like this for if you're making this an emergency site. Alright. So now, if you want to just place seats 0 blocks away separated for economy, but for first and business, they don't have to be separated at all. And for this area, it's gonna be the area where the flight attendants get the food. No, not actually from barrels though. They I don't know. They get the food from there and serve it from to other people. So if you want to, just fill that crate up with food. And now it's time for the part y'all have been waiting for, the cockpit. So this part, it's actually so easy. Just put tough stairs like this, then polish tough swab, then polish black stone stairs, and then you wanna need lining rod for the little thingies. What do you call it? Maybe like a steering wheel. That's what you call it for cars, but I'm just gonna call it in my opinion. Alright, so without telling you, make it 737, and that's the only variant I can make. 737-800, and the shortest variant is literally so short it can include such small interior, which is why I did the newest variant. So if you want to, you can add whatever livery you want to the plane by simply using photos. Yeah, simply using photos if you don't remember which one to use. So just KOM and the other stuff. But please don't do Ryanair. Well, I guess that's the end of both part 1 and part 2 of this 737 tutorial. So hit the like button, and sub button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.